Hey guys, it's me. It's Tuesday. I assigned new lessons for you. I'm not going to be able to make the Zoom lesson today. I have a doctor's appointment, so I prepared this video. I'm going to send this video link out to everybody. This is the body practice along with some of the quick check questions. Please make sure you do the video before you do any of the lessons, and then also preview the video that's actually in the lesson assigned on Realize. I'm just gonna go ahead and you have to watch the video triangles overview before you watch this video. I'm gonna also create a folder on YouTube that has all my videos in it. You need to watch all the videos before you start doing the body practice. I know we've done these all year, but it's really important that you preview that video fractions overview before you start doing the lessons. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give you, we're going to go over these. There's some body practice questions. I'm going to go through about half of them, give you some of the answers. I want you to practice the other ones. And then if you feel like you're good to go, then try the quick check. If you need more help, we are going to Zoom on Wednesday at 11. Okay. So please make sure that you are doing the lessons in order. First, make sure that you do the fractions overview video. Second, watch this video. Third, watch the video on 16.1 on the Realize. And then you can start doing some of these lessons. The first question here says, classify the triangles by its side, then by its angles. So I'm going to focus on the sides. I have two sides that are the same, and I have one side that's different. Okay. In the triangles overview video, we talked about that when two sides are the same, we think about our eyes because we have two eyes the same. Okay. And when we have two eyes the same, that's isosceles. So this first one, you would choose isosceles. Okay. The next part is it's by its angles. I have one angle that's 80 degrees. I have another angle that's 80 degrees. And I have another angle that's 20 degrees. Okay. All these angles I have to think about. Okay. Are all the angles less than 90 degrees? Are they greater than 90 degrees? Or are they equal to 90 degrees? If they're all less than 90 degrees, which is the case in this one, then we call that acute. Okay, so this is an acute isosceles or isosceles and acute triangle. That would be the answer for the first one. Now remember, if if you have an angle that's greater than 90, you only need one angle that's greater than 90, and you only need one angle that's equal to 90. If you have that, that tells you your name. If it's greater than 90, it's obtuse. If it's equal to 90, it's right. If it's less than 90, all three angles have to be less than 90. Remember, when I add all the angles up, 80 plus 80 plus 20, all the angles in every single triangle equal 180 degrees. Okay? So hopefully that will help you out going forward. To do all the stuff in the video that we talked about, make sure everything is, make sure that you're understanding everything, and then make sure you watch the triangle overview video first, and then watch 16.1 video second, okay? And we'll talk to you guys on Wednesday. I will be sending out a reminder before I leave for the doctor tomorrow. If I do get back in time by 11, I will definitely try and get everybody on, but chances of that happening are not very good. So take care, be safe. Also to remember to do your science lessons. I assign new science lessons on HMH on animal adaptations. Okay? All right. Take care, be safe. Bye. The next one, okay, I want you to try to do this one on your own. I'm going to point to some things, but I want you to try to solve it. Notice that my sides are 8, 15, and 17. They're all different, okay? And then notice I have specifically this angle right here. That's 90 degrees. So this will tell you about your sides, and this will tell you about your angle, okay? Now remember, refer back to the fractions preview overview video to help you with your sides. And even if you have that up like in an open box on the browser and pause the video, and you can use that, it's kind of a cheat sheet to help you through some of the lessons, okay? Question number 3, same thing. Focus on these. Look, I have all of my angles are less than 90 and all of my sides are the same. Okay? So think about that as you're working through it. Okay? Remember, go ahead and refer to the excuse me, the triangle overview video that will help you work yourself through this problem. And actually, I give an example. One of the last examples I give in the video will give you the answer to this question. It's not the exact sides, but the angles are the same. Okay, remember 60 plus 60 plus 60 gives you 180. So all the angles in a triangle give you 180 all the time, no matter what. Okay. Next question. Okay. I'm going to point out to all the sides, 9.1, 15.3, and 9.1. The decimals are there to confuse you. Don't make them confuse you. You have two sides that are the same. I'm going to focus on the angle. Is 115, is it less than 90? Is 115 greater than 90? Or is 115 equal to 90? Which one is it? Okay. Remember, it has to be, if it's over 90, it's obtuse. If it's less than 90, it's acute. If it's equal to 90, it would be 90 equals 90, right? If it's equal to 90, then it's right. Answer those questions based upon 2. Next one, same thing, okay? Think about this. My sides are 8, 15, and 17. And then I have that one angle there. Remember that chair, when I'm think about a chair, it looks like a chair kind of in the corner there, if I'm kind of in here, right? That chair means that it's a 90-degree angle, okay? You can call it a box or a chair or a right angle identifier. So you have here you have 3 sides that are different, and then you have that angle right there that tells you that it's 90 degrees, and that should tell you your answer for this one. Okay. Another one the same. Focus on the sides first, and then focus on the angles. And I just write down your sides. I got 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 1.4 centimeters. I got 2 sides that are the same. Remember when we talk about, okay, 2 sides are the same, okay? I have 2 eyes the same. What word starts with, sounds like eyes, okay? That would be your answer for the first one. And the next one, look at your angles. I have 80, and I have 20. If I have 2 sides the same, I'm always going to have 2 angles the same. These angles are 80, 80, and 20. Okay? Are they all acute? Is one of them obtuse? Or is one of them right? Remember, right angles are 90 degrees. Okay? If it's greater than 90, it's obtuse. If it's less than 90, all of them have to be less than 90. It's acute. Okay, that will help you with question number 6. Next question. The measure of two angles of a triangle are 59 and 31. Is the triangle acute, right, or obtuse? Okay, so here's where it's going to be a little bit different. Remember, I said that all the angles in a triangle equal 180 degrees. So I'm going to go 59 plus 31. That's going to give me 90. And then 180 minus 90. Remember, all the angles equal 190. So what I know is 90, and what I'm going to find out is the difference. So that third angle is going to be 90 degrees. So the one angle's 90, the other one's 59 degrees, and the other one is 31 degrees. Okay? Based upon what I just did here, you should be able to answer those 3 questions. Okay, remember, when you're trying to find the missing angle, you have to add the 2 first and then subtract what you get from the first 2 minus 180, because that's the total angles in every single triangle. Okay, and then the last question. It says the 2 sides of a triangle measure 8 and 5. So 2 sides measure 8 and 5. Samuel says the triangle must be scalene. Okay. This is a hard one. I left it on here because I really want you to think about what you're doing. Okay. So if I have 2 triangles, one measures 8 and one measures 5. What are the possible different names of that triangle? Could it be? So think about what a triangle would look like if it was 8 and 5. Okay, if this was 8 and this is 5, could that be 5? Possibly. If this is 8 and this is 5, could that be a different number? Like, let's say, could this be 6? Okay. Think about this one. If this is 5 and this is 5, could this all be 5? Probably not. So this one won't really work. So how could I describe these 2 triangles, triangle number 1 and triangle number 2? How could I describe those on here as part of your choices? Okay, remember, don't worry about your percentage grade. Remember, anything over 50 on Buddy gets credit. So focus on just trying to do this problem. Remember, you get more than one chance to work on it to answer it correct. All right, so, and then this is the Buddy quick check, okay? I'm not going to go over the quick check to Wednesday. If you watched the videos and you did the practice, the Buddy practice, and you joined the Zoom on Wednesday, then these quick check questions, I'm prepared for, should be, and save the quick check hard for any of these on Wednesday. On Wednesday, we're going to go over Wednesday to go over. If has any questions, the quick check questions, as well as do some practice together as a class. You get done with the lesson Wednesday, you finish up your Buddy practice. Thursday, you work on your quick check, and then you're done for the week. And then we only have one more week of lessons. That's it. Okay. So you have to complete 16.1. Next week is 16.2. And then after that, we'll have 16.3. And that's going to be the same as 16.2. So you don't have very much left for lessons. Stay on top of stuff. Make sure that you're focusing. But if any